Hello students, welcome back to Mathfeast Java programming tutorials. In this video, I'll discuss some programs using BufferedReader class. The contents are Introduction to BufferedReader class, two programs. The very first program is reading a date and display the number of days till the date. And the second one is read two birth dates and decide the elder one. Input can be taken from keyboard or a file. Input stream reader class reads 1 byte at a time and converts into characters using specified character set. Buffered reader class reads text from input stream reader class and buffers characters to provide reading continuous characters. So, input stream reader class acts like a bridge between the keyboard input and the buffered reader class. So, we need to use input stream reader along with buffered reader class with the help of two lines or only one line. But all these classes are defined in IO package. So, import java.io.star is compulsory. And whichever method uses buffered reader class, in our case, main method. It can be input method, read method, any method must use throws IO exception. Now read date and display the number of days till the date. DDMMYYYY format means 2014, 4 digits in year. Let's assume input day is 2, month is 2, year is 2014. Total days would be January 31 days and in February, that is month 2, only 2 days. So January 31 days plus February 2 days would be 33 days. The number of days in the output must be 33 days. Let's see the logic. Input we take using buffered reader class. D for day, M for month, Y for year. We take three variables. D is 2, M is 5, Y is 2014. Let's see the logic of the program. Total days we need to count, so we take a variable int total days and store D in it. That is 5th month. May month has only 2 days. But rest of the 4 months we need to calculate. And we take a for loop. Some int mm is equal to 1 to less than m less than 5. That is 4 only. 1, 2, 3, 4. Every time we increment by 1. So MM1 refers to January. 3 if conditions are required. If MM equals to 1 or 3 or 5, 7, 8, 10, 12, that is January, March, May, July, August, October and December have 31 days. So first if condition matches if MM is equal to 1 or MM is equal to 3 and so on and so forth. Total days plus equals to 31. Add 31 to the existing total days. Total days have 2 already. So January added 31. Now this if else construct is a ladder. Means if first one is true, it comes out of the ladder, goes to MM++. Now comes 2. So first if condition is false because MM is 2, so goes to else if MM equals to 2, February. February may be leap year or not a leap year. So we have 2 if else inside else if, that is nested if. If y modulo 4 double equals to 0 and y modulo 100 not equal to 0, because a leap year is divisible by 4 and not divisible by century year. If the first one condition is true or the second condition, year modulo 400, because every 400 years there is a leap year, that is 29 days. So if this condition is true, total days plus equals to 29. Else total days plus equals to 28. So the nested if construct is talking about else if, that is is 2 and nested loop. When happens, 3. So first if condition is true and 31 added. Then 4. Then we have a else for that, total days plus equals to 30. Very simple program. And then at the end we print total days. For example, if D is 2, M is 5, 2014, then first month January 31 days, second month 28 days because 2014 is not a leap year. Then third month, March month has 31 days, and then 30 in April, May 2 days only. So total 122 days. So let's see a program. Let's write the same program in the Java environment. Let us write the program count days. Here java.io.star imported and void main throws IO exception. Buffered reader we have taken, program to find the number of days till the specified date, and 3 integer.parseInt_br.readline statements. First one we are storing in D for the day, M for month, Y for year. Read 3 variables. But as a good programmer, we need to check. Let's assume day is 2, month is 5, and 2014 is the year. But there might be a problem. Check days not more than 31, 30, 29 or 28 depending on the month. So first month need to be accepted. Check month not more than 12, and also depending on the month we need to check the days. For example, month 5 we cannot give more than 31 because May month has 31 only. Had it been 4th month, then month days cannot be 31. So all these checks as a good programmer and return from there only. After that, year should not be more than the current year. So we are concentrating on how to write the logic for this program. So I am not giving all these checks, but you need to practice. Declare a variable total days and store days in the current month, loop with 3 conditions, print total days. This is the program. So int total days is equal to current month has D, whatever it may be. If 5th month, 2 means 2 days. After that, we start a for loop. For int some equals to 1, less than m, whatever is the input, and then plus. This is the loop we have started. Over here we have 3 if conditions. If double equals to 1 or either one of them must be true. Copying 1 to copying, pasting. Let's see. Is 1 and 3 or 5, that is May month. July month also has 31 days. August month also has 31. October, December. All these months we have total days plus equals to 31. else if double equals to 3. We are checking for equality. Else if double equals to 2. Else if else if ladder. Only one condition, if it is true, first condition is true, rest of them it does not execute, goes back to the starting of the loop. If at all is equal to 2, in that case we have a nested if inside that. What is it for leap year and non-leap year? So year, if month is 2, year modulo 4 double equals to 0. Year is divisible by 4 and year not divisible by 100. Year modulo 100, year modulo 100 not equals to 0. In these two conditions should be true. Lesson 12, operator precedence. So both of them will be collectively examined. Or other one is year modulo 400 double equals to 0. In these cases, we say total days plus equals to 29. 29. Else, total days plus is equal to 28. So we have taken care of 1, here 2, then 3, 5, 7, 8. So rest of the months, all the months have else total days plus is equal to 30. So the program is finished here. Total days, first 1, 3, 1, 2 here, 3, then 4 comes to else and so on and so forth. For loop is counting the days. Now we need to print days. Total days plus the variable is total days. So this is the program. Just 3-4 lines program. Let's execute and see the program. The output must be let's say 2, month is 5 and 2014. Then 122 days. But user has to calculate. So as a programmer, we need to give proper output by giving messages. How do we give that? Let's see. We need to give proper output in this way. Day is 2, month is 5, year is 2014. Then the output should be month 1, 31 days, month 2, 28 days, not a leap year. Month 3, 31 days, 4, 30 days, and in month 5, 2 days. Total days till the specified date in the year 2014 is 122. This should be the output. How do we make it? Like this. See, in each if condition, not only adding 31 days, but also printing month, month 1, 31 days, month 2, 29 days if it is a leap year, not a leap year, and so on and so forth. Let's execute the program one more time. This time we give a leap year. Day is 2 only, month 5 only, let's say. 2024 is a leap year. So here month 1 31, month 2 29 days because leap year, and total in the year 2024 is 123 days. This should be the output. Read two birth dates and decide the elder one. Enter birth date of first person, second person. Day, month, year will accept, but day 1, month 1, year 1 are the variables. Day 2, month 2 and year 2 are the variables for the second person. We take this input using BufferedReader class. Now, very simple program. First we compare day 1 double equals to day 2 and also month 1 double equals to month 2 and also year 1 double equals to year 2. And all of them must be true. In that case, equal age. Else if year 1 less than year 2 or month 1 less than month 2 or day 1 less than day 2, then let's say month 1 is 2, month 2 is 3 in our example. Rest of them are same. That means month 1 is February, month 2 is March. A person born in February is elder. So print first person is elder to the second one. Else print second person is elder to the first one. Very simple program. Let's see the program in the Java environment. Find elder program. We take input day 1, month 1, year 1, integer.parseInt br.readline for the first person. Then comes enter birth date of the second person. Again we take 3 inputs, day 2, month 2, year 2. And the program would be like this. If day 1 double equals to day 2 and also month 1 double equals to month 2 and year 1 double equals to year 2. In 3 cases, all 3 must be true. In that case, we say system.out.println equal age. Okay. Else if we can take this entire thing one more time, but we change the operator. What is it? Day 1 less than day 2, month 1 less than month 2, year 1 less than year 2. In this case, but here or. Here all 3 must be true in the first if condition. In the second else if condition, or operator, either this or that. In that case, we say first one, that is not equal age, but first one is elder to the second person. Okay. Else second person is elder to the first person. So second one is elder to the first one. Here also 3 if statements. If, else ladder. First condition is checking for equality. In that case, all parameters must be equals, all of them. In the second one, either day 1 can be less than day 2, month 1 can be less than month 2, or year 1 can be less than year 2. In that case, the very first one is elder to the second person. Else, the second person is elder to the first person. This is the program. Let's execute the program and see. In 3 ways, we can check equality, lesser, greater. Day is 1, month is 2, and year is 2024. And second person, let's say second day, second month, 2024. In that case, first one is elder to the second person. Day is 1, first day, month is same, year is same, but 1 day before the second person he was born. So first one is elder to the second person. This program works fine. There is only one program in practice exercise, but we revise BufferedReader class, input we take, also do while loop, and we will recall menu also. So write a menu program with the following options: deposit cash, withdraw cash, check balance, enter your option. Option can be 1, 2, 3. But initialize minimum balance with 100 and allow the user to choose options by taking choice or options. If choice is Y, continue running the program. Do while loop. So sample input and output, opening and minimum balance is ₹100 must be displayed, and then display in the do while loop deposit cash, withdraw, and check balance, end to exit. Enter your option 1. How much cash do you want to deposit? Let's say 200 rupees. Then the total amount is 300 you have to display. And then do you wish to continue? Yes or no? If yes, then display the menu again. Yes, second option. Yes, third option. End. Then stop the program. This practice exercise is given in the description box already. The next video is about inheritance and function overriding concept. Thank you.